today we're gonna unbox this beautiful Anleolife raised garden bed. Easy to assemble. It got great review. The price is good. It's rust free, lasts for 20 plus years, and it looks amazing in your garden. Raised garden bed will turn your backyard garden or front yard beautiful and gorgeous. Less weed, less bugs, less bending over. This company got good reviews on their website, also good reviews on Amazon. They'll send you the gloves, manual, bolt, screw, and the bed. Let's take everything out. This is in the box. These are the side panels. I got the gray. The color looks amazing. They have their beautiful logo right here. Does feel the quality is definitely pretty good. You got some brackets there, and then if we come over here, comes with a pair of gloves, comes with a screwdriver, and you just got the bolts and the washer thing that easy tied up in the back. And then if we look right here, this is the instruction. The length of it is 144, width by 36, and the height is 18-inch height. I'm going to show you how to fill this really easy. So you can see the brackets goes between to hold the bed very strong. Got the 2 corner piece right now. We're going to get 3 corner piece, but I just wanted to show you. Line it up, and you just put this screw in like that. It's really easy and simple, and this part goes around from the back. What I'm going to do, get the screwdriver, put the screwdriver from the front. You just take your hand, you could hold this part and just screw the screwdriver. It's really easy, simple. Listen, it's a lot of screw. It'll take you some time. Put on a good music, and what I advise you to do is put the screw right through before bringing on more brackets. So all right, so we got the 3 round panels, the corner and the front part right now. It was really easy to screw. They're really simple and easy, but you can see how gorgeous and beautiful it looks. And then we're gonna put 4 of the side straight panels. We're gonna put 4 right through here and 4 piece right through, and then from the curve we're gonna do the same thing. Wow, I have to tell you, I'm impressed. This thing is a monster. It's beautiful, the color, the quality, it's sturdy. It's really sturdy. It's very strong, good, high quality material. It's gorgeous. You guys could see right here. Look at it. Look how amazing and beautiful it looks. I gotta tell you, springtime, I'm gonna plant so much stuff in here. If you have space in your front yard and backyard, this is what you need.